Hello everyone. Today let's talk about the importance of iron in diet. So iron is the key component of hemoglobin, the protein in RBCs, responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Iron supports muscle function, brain development, hormonal balance and the body's natural ability to fight infections. Without enough iron, the body cannot produce adequate healthy blood cells, leading to fatigue, weakness, poor concentration, and lowered immunity. So, let's look into the 9 best sources of iron. Dried peaches. They can be consumed as evening snacks or as candies too. One can also add them to smoothies and even salads along with roasted nuts and seeds. In dried peaches, iron content is 4.1 milligram per 100 grams. Next, moringa leaves. One can add them to dough and make parathas. They also go well with dals as curry, or one can make soup or chutney. The dried leaves can be powdered and consumed with warm water as medicine. In moringa leaves, iron content is 4 milligram per 100 grams. Next, spinach. You can just lightly saute or steam them before consumption. One can make parathas, soup, or even salads with the leaves. And if you want to eat them raw, then add to smoothies or sec to gain benefits. Next, beetroot. The best way to consume is in the form of juice on an empty stomach along with lemon or amla in it. It can also be enjoyed in the form of salad or soup. One can also enjoy made dip or chutney. In beetroot, iron content is 1 milligram per 100 grams. Next, amaranth leaves. It is also known as cholai ke patte. These leaves are best enjoyed as sag, stir fry, or one can add them into dough and make rotis. In amaranth leaves, the iron content is 2.3 to 3 milligram per 100 grams. Next, watermelon. One can eat them fresh or can be added to smoothies. They also go well in salads along with other seasonal fruits. In watermelon, iron content is 0.2 milligram per 100 grams. Next, dried figs. They are best consumed after soaking overnight in water or an empty stomach. One can also warm them up and add to roasted nuts and seeds laddu for nutrition and taste. In dried figs, the iron content is 2 milligram per 100 grams. Next, broccoli. You can blanch them or saute them first and then use for salad, soup or stir fry. One can simply eat the blanched ones with hummus or any preservative free dip for added benefits. In broccoli, the iron content is 0.7 milligram per 100 grams. Next, dates. The best way to gain benefits is to eat them as it is for breakfast or evening snack. One can also blend them into milk and use a sweetener for desserts. Another way is to use it as a binding and sweetening agent for nuts and seed laddus. In dates, iron content is 0.9 milligram per 100 grams.